This gray just will not go away. Back at my favorite place to start my moan day, which is Saturday for everybody else. And I'm tired. Didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm gonna go have some good Town Topic coffee and wake up. And hopefully, I don't know, I hear it's gonna rain again tomorrow. I was gonna say hopefully this gray will go away soon, but doesn't look like any time too soon. Ugh. Anyway, it's April Fool's Day. Woohoo! Hey doggy. And the other doggy, he's hiding from me. And that's a electric fake fireplace. I'm not into the faux fireplaces, but this will have to do until we can get somebody to come out and look at our fireplaces, you know, to put an actual insert in. So, I don't know, it's better than having a hole in the wall, I guess. Yep, that's the end result. Yeah.
Is it taking photos now? Is it taking photos?
The weather is actually somewhat nice. It's still gray, but temperatures are better. Although it's supposed to rain. Oop, I need to put this. And there's Jimbo. And Stella. I gotta return something I forgot to put back at work, and I guess we'll get some coffee. I'm tired still. Westport. One dog. Another dog. Let's see if we can figure this out over here, huh? Come on. This way. Jimmy. Come on, Jimbo. This is what I'm waking up to on everybody else's Monday morning. Woohoo! Listen to that rain. Well, the weather is trying to break out into nice, but it's been crappy all day. Rainy and yucky, and at least it's not super cold. It's kind of coolish, but not too bad. Almost comfortable. But we could use some sun, some drying, but won't hold my breath. What is that orange thing? Haven't seen it in so long. Wow. We are getting more. Surprise, surprise. Rain. And this time, if I can get my reflection out, they have us under a flood watch. Or flood warning. No, it's flood watch. And I'm beginning to wonder if we're not going to get into a really wet spring season, maybe even a wet summer. I don't know. It's too early to tell, but 1993 was a record year for flooding in the Midwest, so we'll see. Just got home. Rainy, yucky day. But it looks like our sunroom is done, pretty much. Oh yeah, even the light's up. Light is up and on. And the doors are in. This is kind of an issue, I guess, that the doors will, since they open in, but they're pretty nice doors too. Wow. Let's see what happens here. Turn on the light and find it. Nice. So yeah, gonna get the flooring in. That'll come in next week, I guess. Look at it from this angle. Then go out and look and see what kind of day we have. Rain, 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 go away. This is our view of our backyard. Pretty exciting. I'm at Wife's Enemy number 6. There used to be a store called Musician's Friend, and I used to like to go in there a lot, so it's not like Musician's Friend, it's more like Wife's Enemy, because my wife hated it. So, and yeah, the asshole rain has come. Yeah, this rain is an asshole. I'm sick of it. Gonna do something bad like flood or something like that. Who knows? I don't know. Anyway, I got a great idea of how to do something. I'm gonna try something, and you know, of course, it's bound to cost me money. So here I am at Wife's Enemy number 6. So yeah, this is my experiment. Crazy. I don't know how to explain it. I could show it, but no hands free. Gotta drive. But I mounted my 2 action cameras onto my Tascam mixer, and then a mic mounted to that, so that it's all in one little compact unit. And it's not very well put up there, so I'm gonna drive carefully. Otherwise, it'll go. You see it shaking, go everywhere. And just look at this rain. We're gonna have too much of it. We already have too much of it. It's making everybody crabby. Too much gray. Not enough vitamin D. Need no more vitamin D now. I'm gonna go to, which Wife's Enemy is this? Wife's Enemy number, let's see, 1 was Musician's Friend or Wife's Enemy. Number 2 was, that's annoying. Number 2 was a store that no longer exists, Comp USA. Number 3 was it Surplus Exchange? Is Surplus Exchange? So this is number 4. Wife's Enemy number 4. No, maybe this is number 3. I can't make up my mind. I think this is number 3 and Surplus Exchange is number 4. I can't remember what number 5 was, but I know there was a number 5, and number 6 is now, I think Wife's Enemy number 5 is Wolf's Camera in Topeka, and number 6 is Overland Photo Supply here in Overland Park, Kansas. So I know these experimental videos can be pretty boring, especially when I'm a very entertaining person that doesn't have anything to talk about. But other than the rain, and that's that's a pretty dry subject. Haha. It's a pretty boring subject. Let's just put it that way. So I don't know how good my audio is coming across. I guess I'll find out later. I may need to put this on a high gain. Oops. We're going to, what is this, wife's enemy number 3. I can't keep them straight. There's so many of them. When the camera tilts like that, it's me using my turn signal. Yeah, it's really well placed up there. And then, oh, I know what I'm coming here for. I'm looking to see if they happen to have some sort of egg timer type device. Preferably a photographic timer that you can put your camera on top and it turns it at a certain speed so you can do a time lapse. And what was I going to say? And you know, it has a little 1/4-20 threads, so you can mount it onto something and you can mount something onto it. But I may end up having to do what a lot of people are doing, and well, I guess I can go online and look for one of these things. Unfortunately, the store over here, the photo store, the cheapest thing they had was $99, and I don't know if it looked like it worked very well. It was fancy, had a little remote control and everything, but it wouldn't work for what I'd do because it doesn't have a slow enough speed. So we'll see. I mean, what everybody else is doing is they're actually buying an egg timer and gluing on the mounts they need. But that's kind of janky. I would rather find something that's built for it. And I don't know. They had a fancy one in there. I don't know how much it sounded costy, spendy. But you know, and yeah, I know I have a one that works really well, but it did work until it broke, which is my Osmo gimbal. I have to see if I can send that back and have them look at it under warranty, hopefully. I don't know. I seem to be really hard on stuff. Well, I'm hard on stuff because I use it. I use it a lot. And unfortunately, a lot of stuff may not be well made enough to be used every day. I don't know if that's true of the Osmo gimbal, but anyway, so I'm gonna stop saying anyway, and I'm here, I'm queer, get used to it.